Your ERP has run your business for years, and now your business is demanding Agentic AI. How can you deliver transformation without disruption? The answer is Agentic AI ERP from Rimini. Rimini Innovate. Don't rip and replace. Instead, layer AI and automation over your ERP and across the enterprise. At its core is Rimini Agentic UX, a persona-driven workspace above ERP and other systems that orchestrates tasks, streamlines processes, cuts manual work, and gives enterprise-wide visibility. We use predefined agentic workflows to modernize your business and deliver ROI in weeks. AI agents use ERP data to coordinate work across finance, supply chain, HR, and more, surfacing expectations and bottlenecks early. You're in control, because Rimini Agentic UX is portable across vendors and spans systems to eliminate vendor lock-in. Start with the workflows that matter most, prove value, then expand at your pace. Own your AI roadmap, preserve your ERP investment, and innovate at speed. Rimini Street, the software support and Agentic AI ERP company.